Here are 11 ways that you can make money online in 2018 from anywhere in the world. Hey guys, welcome back. So here are 11 ways to make money online from anywhere in the world. Number 1 is affiliate marketing. Now this is where you get a link and you give it to somebody and you get a commission off of it. You'll see a lot of YouTubers doing this and saying like, I have links in the description down below, which I do, and I do make a commission off of some of the stuff in my description. Now I think it's really important to be very transparent with your viewers and your subscribers. So to get started with this, you can go on Amazon affiliates, and what's going to happen is they're going to give you like a link for a product and you would give it to your subscribers or your friends or your family. And what would happen is they click on the link, and even if they don't buy that specific product within 24 hours, you'll still get a commission. So they can be buying diapers or dog food or paper towel, anything they buy, you get a commission off of. And I think it's up to about 10%. Now you can get affiliate codes for other things other than Amazon. These are a little bit harder and you have to have an audience, but definitely start with Amazon affiliates. Number 2 is ebook publishing. So you can do like Kindle publishing or do it on a different platform. Now I would recommend doing Kindle publishing because it's just the easiest and it's the easiest way to get people buying. You might be wondering, how in the world am I gonna write an ebook if I don't even have a skill? Well, you do have a skill and you can basically make an ebook on anything. Like you can make an ebook on how to paint a room, how to paint your nails, how to walk a dog, how to anything, how to change a tire. People are looking for weird things on the internet and people buy stuff. So if you can think of something that you can make an ebook on, definitely do that. You can make a little bit of cash, you can make a lot of cash. And if you're not good at writing, you can hire someone on Fiverr.com to actually make you an ebook and you can put it up. Number 3 is dropshipping. Now this is where you put up a website and you get products from other people. So like other creators or like suppliers or wholesalers. So people are gonna buy off of your website and then your supplier is actually going to send it right to the person. So it's all automatic and they know to ship it to the right address. You're making money off of this and you don't even have an inventory. So startup costs are very low on this. You just have to pay for the website and also for marketing. Number 4 kind of goes along with dropshipping, but it is Amazon merch. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna design a t-shirt or a sweatshirt and you're gonna make a listing on Amazon. Now what happens is when people buy that sweatshirt or that t-shirt that you designed, Amazon's gonna get the t-shirt, print it on there, and ship it to the customer. So again, you don't have any inventory, you're just designing it, and you can also look for designers on Fiverr or Upwork as well. Now keep in mind for Amazon merch, you have to get approved, and a lot of people are getting approved, so go and look at that if you can design t-shirts. Number 5 is working on a website like Fiverr.com or Upwork.com. Now you can be a web designer, a logo designer, you can be good at Photoshop, data entry, virtual assistant, photographer. Oh my gosh, there are so many. You can be a social media expert or manager. If you're good at SEO, that's another great way to make money. So if you have any skill at all, just throw up a listing and people will pay you either a fixed price or an hourly rate. Number 6 is working on VIP Kid. Now I actually did this, and what it is you're an English teacher and you make lesson plans and teach people that are not native English speakers. So a lot of your customers will be from China, so you'll have to be up kind of late, but that is okay if you're making money, and I believe right now it's about 20 bucks an hour. Kind of going along with that is teaching another language. So if you are fluent in Spanish or Italian or French, any language really, there are tons of resources out there where you can teach people how to speak your language. Number 7 is retail arbitrage or online arbitrage. So what this is you go to say Walmart and you go to the clearance section, or online you can go to the clearance section in any website really, and you look on Amazon for what it's selling. So if you can find a toy, let's say, for $5 at Walmart and it's selling for 15 on Amazon, then you just made some money. A lot of people can make a ton of money doing this. What they do is they get like a big box, they fill it with a bunch of stuff and then send it to Amazon to save on shipping. Number 8 is my absolute favorite, and it is Amazon FBA. Now you guys know that my channel is all about Amazon FBA, and if you would like to see other videos, I have a bunch on my channel that you can go and watch. But basically what this is you find a viable product, you source it from China or India, and you get the supplier to send it with your logo to Amazon. Then you make a listing and you sell it. There's a lot more to it, but that is like the bare bones. If you guys are interested, like I said, I have a bunch of videos on that. This is a great way to make money. People that are 15 years old are making tons and tons of cash on this, so you should definitely look into it. It does cost a little bit to start up, but if you can do any of these other things or work your normal job and build up some capital, I would definitely recommend that. Number 9 is a social media account. So you can have a blog, a YouTube channel like this, you can have an Instagram, a Facebook page, and what you're going to be doing is you're going to put out content for people, and a lot of brands will contact you for brand deals. They'll give you free stuff. Some people get like free travel. And also you're making money off of ads on different platforms. So if you can build something big enough and have a big enough audience, you can definitely make money or get free things. Number 10 is a life coach or a financial advisor, something like that. If you have a skill in something, so if you know about finances, or you know about like getting people motivated and stuff like that, then you can make money off of that. You can put up a website or a YouTube channel or something to help people, and you can have people hire you to help them. Number 11 kind of goes along with that, but it's a personal trainer, a virtual personal trainer. So what you're gonna do is either make videos, or you can do Skype calls with people or phone calls with people, and you're gonna train them on how to exercise and how to get fit, how to eat right, all of that. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video, and I hope that you got some ideas to make money. If you did, please give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified every time I make videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.